Alright, you guys need to check this out. How is this person actually earning 300k online? Monthly recurring revenue. What is MRR? If you guys don't know, you gotta get to know, man. Alright, MRR. MRR is the current monthly recurring revenue from new and existing customers this month. Alright, that's it. Straight up. This guy is actually earning 300k every single month. Right, this guy doesn't exactly resets every single month. Every single month, his business doesn't go to zero. Right? Compared to the other traditional businesses, right? Maybe things such as like e-commerce. Traditionally, right, you guys have to like restart from zero every single month. Right? And that's not a good sign, man. That's not a good sign, that's not a good vibe. Alright, because every single month you have to like go out there to acquire new customers. Right? It's very tiring. Right? Been there, done that. So no thanks. Right? It's not one of the best ways, but it is still one way to earn money. But compared to this, compared to MRR, right? Even your biggest businesses, right? Things such as like Netflix, things such as like Spotify, all of these are like mainly, subscription-based services. So it's the same concept. Right? This guy is also doing the same concept. He's earning 300k every single month. Enough is enough. The more I say, the more unbelievable it gets. The more crazy it gets, the more sickening it gets. In the best way possible. Alright, so how is this community actually earning this amount of money? How is he getting the traffic? And what is this business all about? Alright, let's dive into it. Alright, this is it. So it's called Skool Masterclass. So you can see over here, this is basically his about page, right? And this is his VSL over here. It's just one video, that's it. So join and learn how to make money online with Skool. Get Max's framework that won the Homosy School Games 4 times and generates 300k a month. The more I say it, man, the more I say it, the more absurd it gets. Alright, so try risk-free for 14 days, 100% money back guarantee, daily VIP access to Max. Join now, price increasing soon. Alright, scarcity, man, urgency. So this is what you'll be getting. You'll be getting the Skool Masterclass V2, version 2. So what's inside the version 2 is there's the niche, there is the traffic, there is the conversion and retention OS. Right? So it's all the good stuff that you'll be getting. Free high-level account, 7-figure school funnel, school traffic system, daily Q&A calls with Max. So these are all that is included inside his community. And clearly it works, right? Clearly it works. Clearly people are buying it. People are loving it. People are staying it. People are staying inside the community, and then that is how he's actually getting to earn the monthly recurring revenue. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. 300k. Think about it, man. 300k. Some people actually earn 300k like in a year. And this guy is like earning in a month. Alright, just think about it for a second. I mean, some people don't even earn in a year, man. Some people earning like 10 years or 2 years or 3 years even. Craziness, real crazy. Alright, so like I said, this community is just mainly about teaching people how to use this community. Like how do you get started? What are the things that you need? What are the things that you should be focusing on? How do you come up with the community? Like I said, over here, Skool Masterclass V2, your niche, traffic, conversion, and retention. All this good stuff will be taught inside. And then if you guys need, if you guys need help, he will be giving his daily Q&A calls as well. So that's good. It's really, really helpful. Right? So if you have any questions about how to run your community, ask him, right? Ask him. And then that is how it's actually, I believe this daily Q&A calls, right? It's kind of like access to him. And then that is arguably the most important thing, right? If you have like direct access to your teacher, right? To your favorite creator, right? That is like one of the more premium stuff, I would say. Yeah. If you guys can actually give that kind of access to your audience, to your customers, I think it's a win really. Right? It's a net win for all. Okay, so he's actually charging $150 per month right now. And yeah, you guys can see over here, right? There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's add. Why did you cut him out? Sorry. Yeah, so basically, from what I know, right? From what I know, because I kind of like researched about him a little. So he is obviously the owner of this community. And then these 3 people, right? I think he's working for them. Sorry, they are working for him. So they are like their sales representatives. Yeah, so if you were to book an onboarding call with him, right? These people will be the ones taking the call. And then I believe they will be helping these audiences, his customers, to set up their communities. And then they will also try to upsell them to this community, right? The $150 per month community. Yeah, so with that being said, right, he actually has a free community. All right, so over here, you guys can see Skool Masterclass for free, right? I'm actually inside, right? So I'll give you guys a quick look as well. View it, and then this is the community section right here. You guys can see there's a bunch of people, right? There's a bunch of people who is inside the community, and it's about 82,000, right? It's almost 100,000 people already. So a lot of people. A lot of people is buying his stuff, man. A lot of people is supporting him because he's giving free value. He's giving free valuable value. Valuable value. Does it even make sense? Whatever. But anyway, so his about page over here. Join the Skool Masterclass free and learn how to make money online with Skool. Straight up. Straight up. Get the framework Max used to win the Alex Hormozi Skool games twice and generate $190,000 per month with Skool. Madness, man. Madness. That's what I gotta say. Alright, so inside you guys can see you'll be getting the Skool Masterclass Lite, right? And then you'll be having weekly Q&A calls with Max. Instead of daily, you'll be getting weekly, right? And then there's, like I said, the one-on-one Skool onboarding call, and then bonus, motivated entrepreneurial community. Hey man, it's priceless, right? You can't put a price tag on it, man. So total value is 2.4 and now for $0. Hey, it's a good value. Where else can you get this? It's ridiculous, right? So that is why he has like 82,000 members, right? People really appreciates the things that he's giving up for free over here. And then over here, once people enjoy his content, right? Content means we say that his Skool Masterclass Lite over here. Once people watch his stuff and then they like it, then most likely people will actually go and purchase his Skool Masterclass, the one that is $150 per month. Yeah, so for week 1, right, over at Skool Masterclass Lite, the free ones will be this, right? The Welcome, Skool OS, Quantum Leap OS, Niche Alchemy, Product Line Design, Course Genesis, Launch Codex, the Ascension Path, right? All of these are free. But if you want to go on to the week 2, week 3, 4, and bonus over here, you have to upgrade. Well, we have to upgrade. We have to upgrade it over here, which leads us to the community, which is paid, the paid community, which is $150. Right. So if you give a click right here, I think this is his website. Oh, sorry, yeah, this is about page. Yes, right here. So like I said, this is the page that we were looking earlier on. So if you want the full access, if we do not want the Skool Masterclass, you do not want the light version, you have to pay. You have to pay this. You have to join this. But I believe there are 2 options right here. You can either do the $150 per month, or you can go for annual payment, which means you would have to pay 1.2K straight up, right, annually. Right, so if you pay 1.2K, you have access to this for 12 months, right, per year. And then every single year, you'll be renewed on a ARR, right, annual recurring revenue. I think that's what it's called, right? And you'll be saving 33%, right, if you were to go for the annual option right here. Makes sense, right? Makes sense. It's up to you guys, man. Up to you guys. Which one makes the most sense for you guys? Okay, so with that being said, so now we've covered what this community is all about. What we should do right now is that, how is it getting traffic, right? That's the main thing. Like, you can have the best idea in the world, right? You can have the best idea in the world, you can have the best business in the world, but you know what? If there's no customers, there's no people, there's no audience, there's no traffic, how are you going to get the business? How are you going to get the money, right? That's the main thing. You can design the next Apple product, right? You can have like the next Apple business idea, but if you don't have traffic, if you have the marketing component, right, you're not going to succeed, man. All right, so let's just try and figure out how is he actually getting his traffic. All right, so first and foremost, you can go over here, right? You can go to his social media platforms over here, because it's 2024, right? It's 2024. So most of the businesses, if not all of the businesses, have to get onto social media to create content. Is the one. And then the other thing is you'll be able to drive traffic from their social media platforms into their businesses. All right, so he has 5 links. Let's go with the first one, which is his website right here, maxperzon.com. Whoa, what's this? I help people start, run, and grow online school communities. Yep. You can learn more about what I do at our website over here. All right, so give it a click right here. So this should be the official one, right? This is the one. Skool Masterclass. We help people launch profitable school communities. Okay. Good stuff. So he actually laid out his 3 communities over here. Oh, there's another one as well. I believe this one, right, is kind of like the mastermind. So it's like, I guess it's like even more intimate group setting. Let's just click learn more right here first to give a quick look. 96 spots taken out of 100. Right, so book a one-to-one mastermind chat. $34,000 per year, no wonder. Yeah, that makes sense. All right, so this is like I think it's a really VIP or super premium committee, which is only for 100 people. Yeah, so can you imagine 96 spots is already been taken. How much is he earning? Alright, so we got the calculator right here. 96 times 24,000. You ready? You ready? I'm ready. What? 2 million? It's only 2.3 million so far. Guys, are you seeing this? Selling 2.3 million annually. Right? My god. Madness. So on top of that, right? On top of this 2.3 million, right? This is his mastermind. So for his paid community, how much is he earning again? 300k, right? So 300k in a year. 3.6 million plus 2.4 million. 6 million. 76 million. Really? Probably. I mean, the numbers don't lie, right? These are all facts. He can't fabricate all these numbers. Right? This is legit. It's as legit as it gets. Okay? So, safe to say he's kind of like earning this amount. He will be earning around this amount. Yeah, so. Or maybe 6 million is a little bit too much. It's a little bit unbelievable. So maybe we can just give like 4 million, 5 million, 4 to 5 million. He's earning like 4 to 5 million a year, man. Yo! I mean, if you guys know the exact numbers, maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. You guys can comment the right figures, right? Or the estimated figures, the average figures that he's actually earning. Add the comment section down below. Alright, so go back over here. This is main website over here, where is the about page, which I think is his VSL right here, as per usual. And there's a newsletter as well. Key in your email, and then there's a YouTube channel. So I believe he's gaining traffic from his YouTube channel as well. So it has 977 subscribers. It has like 21 videos, right? So it's mainly about, you know, school, right? Like teaching people how to get onto school, how to start a school community, and then he also interviews with other people as well. So that's cool. That's a nice thing. I mean, I do watch his videos as well. You guys can see, right? I watched some of his videos, and I mean, I've been watching his videos for the most part as well in the past as well. Yeah, from his own personal channel. So let me show you guys his own personal channel as well. Alright, so I'm not lying, man. I'm not lying. Check this out. I watched almost all of his videos. Yeah, so I believe he's one of the first persons that actually introduced to me the whole school sort of things. Yeah, so that is why. That is why. And that is why he's probably earning 300k, man. For good reason, right? It all makes sense right now. It all makes sense. So you guys can see, all of his videos is mainly centered around school. Yeah, which makes the most sense right now. It has been almost like 8 months ago, close to a year, right? So he has been on it for quite a long time already, right? He's no stranger to this game. Yeah, so that is why he's probably earning 300k. Rightfully so, man. Rightfully so. Good job. Good job. Right, so we are at his Instagram page. I believe he's not so active over here. Yeah, apparently not. His pictures are over here. I think he does reviews for the most part. That's what he used to tell people. Yeah, you guys can see over here. He has one view over here which has like 563,000 views. Pretty viral if you ask me. And basically he just gives out like all of this text and then puts on a video, you know, and telling people to read more. You guys know, right? This is kind of like a strategy. So whenever you guys read videos like this and then people read the description, it kind of like tells the algorithm that this is something where people is interested in, and then in return, the Instagram algorithm or whatever it is will reward the creator with more views, right? Because he'll be promoting his reel to more people. And more importantly, simply comment or DM something, DM a word, right? It increases the engagement. So all in all, it will tell Instagram that this is an interesting reel that people want to watch. Because end of the day, right? Social media platforms like this, they just want people to stay on their platforms. That's what they want. They just want your attention. They want your eyeballs to be on their social media platform as long as possible. That's it, right? So if you guys are reading all of this, right, it's just gonna get more replays and replays. That's why. That's just a side note, right? So that's it. Instagram is one of it. And then another one would be, so his last tweet was 44 minutes ago. Yo, right? Very active over here. Right, so I believe he's also kind of like getting some traffic over here as well. He's getting 22 views, 7.3k views, right? Not too bad. So this is another platform that I believe he is getting attention from as well. So the next one will be YouTube, which I've covered. Finally will be LinkedIn right here. Oh shit! If you guys know what language is this, please let me know. I'm not sure what I'm looking at right now. But anyway, So this is mainly it. Oh yeah, so another thing that I can almost confirm is that if we go to his Facebook account, right? Alright, so we are at his Facebook page. So you see running ads. Let's find out, shall we? So we can go to his about page right here. Next thing what we can do is we can go to profile transparency. So under profile transparency, oh, he's not running ads currently, right? This profile is not currently running ads. Go to ad library. No more, no results. So it's not exactly running any more ads right now. I believe it's turned it off. Why I say that is because I was watching one of the advertisements back then. And over here, because for last month, right? Over at the school games, right? They are like kind of running some competition, right? Within school. He won, right? So he has like 230,000 MRR. And then I believe he was running advertisements because when I was using my own social media platforms, right? I was being bombarded with his retargeted ads. Yeah, a lot of it. A lot of my retargeted ads was from him. Yeah, so I've been retargeted because I believe, you know, I'm heavily involved in this school community sort of things, right? So that's why I'm being targeted by him, right? Rightfully so, for good reason. Yeah, but I think since the October games are officially done, right now it's November, so I believe that is why he has no advertisements right now. Yeah, so alright, that's cool. But yeah, so what I want to say is that mainly, right, how and what he's doing right now is that he has 3 communities. First one is a free community. You can receive free value. You kind of like have like 5 modules, right? If I'm not wrong, he allows people to have 5 free videos over here. Sorry, 8 videos, right? 1 to 8 over here. So this is just the Skool Masterclass Lite version, the free version. And then if you want the full Masterclass, right, you will have to upgrade to the paid one, which is the $150 per month, which is earning him a good amount of money right now. And then the last one will be the Skool Mastermind, which is $24,000 per year. So that's crazy, man. That's crazy numbers. Yeah, so that is how he's mainly earning money with his school communities, right? 3 communities. All right, so if you guys want to get started as well, you guys want to start your own community, potentially earning 300K a month in monthly recurring revenue, click the first link. All right, click the first link at the description box down below, and I'll show you guys how.